and in this vlog we are in a way different scenario than usual. 7.5k a night. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you what a suite looks like in the most expensive desert resort in Dubai. First of all, you have some garden, I don't know what to do with here. By the way guys, part of MTV Cribs. The living room. Then this is where you go into the master bedroom, right here. Then right here you will have the bathroom. Very nice. This is some pimp bath. Besides this, yeah, sorry guys, I'm not a real estate agent, so I'll just walk you through so you can see what it actually looks like. This is my walk-in wardrobe for one night. So I will definitely need it. So guys, I just walked into the garden and the neighbor came to say hello. And I think he is inviting me for some barbecue for tonight. 1 hour we're going to be picked up because we're going for a camel tour and then some camel food somewhere in the middle of the desert. I don't know where. In the meanwhile, I'm going to pop up the laptop, going to work some, and I'm just going to relax. He thinks that he's a statue or something. I don't know. A Greek statue. I don't know what his idea was of this. But yeah, this is what 30,000 dirhams a night or 7.5k a night gets you in a desert resort. So guys, I'm currently teaching him how to trade. He was first trying to do it sneaky, but I told him just come, it's fine. So he's now in the background. It keeps on flying, so we're going to enjoy today while BTC is flying and our position is still running. We took some profits at the all-time high itself, but we're still inside of the trade. Same goes for Eve. As I mentioned in the previous one, is we longed the strength from BTC on Eve, as you guys saw in the previous vlog. Still inside of that trade since 24, my favorite number. It's now at 29. We're currently going to meet my brothers. My name is Camille. But we're going for a camel ride, so I'm going to show you guys what my brother looks like. He's going to show me around his place here. And we'll take you guys with me. So usually you hear vroom, vroom, vroom. See different camel powers. Guys, this is my brother. You see, he wants to stay with me. He wants to stay with the big brother. I totally get it. Well guys, that was the trip with the Lamborghini. We're now going to see some sunsets, I guess. I really don't know. And this is the thing guys, when you're looking at life, at the end of the day you can work all day and all of the stuff, but you need to do something with the money as well. What I always say, what is fuck you money if you don't say fuck you sometimes? So sometimes just go out, do your things, especially in trading, because you're inside all day. This is just stuff I like to do sometimes. Just get out and just get away from the charts and get your mind right again.
In the breeze, bend with me, sway with me.
At the end of the day, you can spend all of the money on clothing and all of the stuff, but if you smell bad, it's a big problem. So one thing that a lot of people totally ignore is smelling right. Well, actually smelling right is like the invisible clothing that is, I would say, one of the most important things. So when it comes down, quick game to this, yeah? These two, this one, I totally stole this one from Iman Gatsi. Yeah, he came up with this one. So I got hooked with this one. It's like the Clive Christian Blonde Amber. So when I had this one, I was hooked for a while for it. But then I found a better one. Yeah, so I'm here to give the upgrade. This one, yeah? Clive Christian, Addictive Arts. Hedonistic. Trust me. When you have this one and you put it on and you walk into a room, everyone's like, that's nice, yeah? Again, invisible clothing. Works better than any clothing piece, Louis Vuitton shirt out there, yeah? This one, game changer. No, it's fine.
What do he said.
Guys, I was just reading something and I just wanted to share this with you. And it's regarding something that I get so many questions about. And that is when you're looking at your friendship and what to do with friends who give you the bad influence and all of the stuff. So when you hear the cliche, like you are the next one of the people who you hang around with. So for example, if you hang around with 4 millionaires, then you will be the 5th one, for example. Okay? It's a cliche story. Does this mean that when you're looking at your current friendship that you just need to ditch everyone? No, it's not. What, in my opinion, the best approach should be is just have a 70-30 approach, where you just hang around with 70% of the good people, I would say, and just 30% of the people who you always were hanging around with. In my opinion, it's stupid to just totally say, I'm never going to see you again, because that makes you, in my opinion, not a very good friend. What I always would suggest is just step back from being with them every single day and go with them in every action that you don't like. First of all, meet people who actually love the same things as you love to do. Go to network events, join different communities and all of the stuff where you find like-minded people. Just hang around with them for 70% of the time, or 75%, or maybe 80%. And when you're looking at your old friends, for example, just still hang around with them, but less time, not so obsessive as you may do right now. So in my opinion, don't just blindly ditch them, because in my opinion, again, it's just not a very good friend approach, and just make it a healthy combination instead of just saying directly, okay, I'm never going to see you again, because that's not something that is sustainable in my opinion. Tomorrow in the morning we have a Falcon show. I think that one is around 6, if I'm right? Yeah, around 6. So I will see you guys tomorrow.
I put a spell on you. Because
Good morning. It is currently 6:30. Quick story about yesterday night, or I would even say it was literally 2 hours ago. I couldn't sleep, so what did I do? I just went for some cigars at the pool itself. And what happened is I was just sitting here and I was doing my thing and I was calling with a friend, and it was pitch black, like pitch black. And I was sitting here and all out of a sudden I hear meh, meh, and I was so fucking scared. So what happened is, you can see the bottle there, it's on the ground, because I was so afraid when I was sitting there, because it was so dark and the only thing I heard was meh, but very hard. Yeah. So I slapped the water bottle all over my laptop, yeah, run inside, as you guys can see right here, literally, look at this. The cigars are still, oh no, shit. Okay, the cigars are still here. Yeah. I was afraid for a goat, to be honest, because I thought he was going to attack me or something. So, I had around 1 hour of sleep. We're now going to a Falcon show. I don't know what that means. Yeah, of course it's a bird, but let's see. And that's it for now. That will explain what happened.
And this is Malika. Right. So, right, when it comes to falconry in the UAE, it started around 2,000 years ago. Right.
Guys, in Dutch, we would say kankergrote duif.
Birds flying high, you know how I feel. Sun in the sky, you know how I feel. Breeze drifting on by.
Look guys, this is you with the markets. You swing, you miss, you swing, you miss, you swing, you miss. And then at one point, you have it, and you never should let go. Same goes with your finding the profitability. You miss, you miss, you miss, and then boom, you find your edge, and you should never let go, like the bird does.
And I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good.
So guys, we found a new trader. She's pretty fast, target eye. So she's going to join the team now. Oh, I wasn't afraid. I wasn't afraid. It was cool, to be honest. It was better than expected. First I was like, okay, we're going to watch some birds. But the stories behind all of the birds and stuff was more impressive than I thought. You know how I feel. So guys, the thing is, we had way too many options and I didn't know what to choose. So on this side we have the sweets. And then on the other side we have the healthy stuff. So I mixed it up with this one. So you see the switch between it. When I order coffee, this is always the formation. 1 cappuccino, 1 double espresso. The reason for this one just for the caffeine, this one to relax. Yeah. Best formation. Always when you order coffee, order 2.
Habibi.
Habibi.